So me and Kevy are hiking up a trail. We're seeing if we can find the last 3 MK tunnels. And I did just come to a fence right here about 20 yards in front of me. So we'll see what it is. Well, here's the fence. Well, we're gonna continue. Well, we're gonna continue up this wash and see what we can find. Canyon. Be a cool little waterfall when it rains though. But that's when I had to climb up. All of that Kevy's down around that turn down there. So guess it's not in this canyon. Well, we're gonna continue. Well, we're gonna continue up this wash and see what we can find. Hey guys, so we are hiking up, is it Furniture? Yeah. Draw. Up Furniture Draw. It's supposed to be a little slot canyon. So it's nice and cool right now. The sun is just starting to go behind the rocks on the west. So it'll put us in the shade here in just about 10 minutes. So I'll show you around. Look at our little friend. Over there. We'll let him be. So this is where the canyon starts to get narrower. How are you enjoying the hike so far, Kevy?
It's not a bad hike. Good for the kids.
It really gets narrow in here. We'll make his take. So we climbed over the big rocks at the end there and opens up into that big canyon. So we're gonna walk down it a little bit and see what's happening, because it's starting to sprinkle. So we'll see what's up. We're gonna walk up to this turn up here and then turn around and get out of here before if it starts raining. I don't want to be in here. But it's been a fairly easy hike. I mean, there's been a couple big rocks, but nothing too bad. Oh. So, that's what it looks like down there, guys. Oops. Okay, so we found the other Morrison Tunnels. So there's something right there, right there, right there, and then right back there.
And right in front of you.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna walk down. Okay, I know nothing about these, but it honestly looks like they tried to cement them closed. Okay, so this is looking down. That's as far as I can zoom in. And it opens up right there. Oh. Yep, what?
I'll get up there with you.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think you're seeing anything, honey. Look at those storm clouds. Not sure what that is, but it's right next to that one. We're gonna walk over and see what's over here. Well, that doesn't do those right. So this is the trail to the bottom. So I'll bring you back when I get to the bottom, so I don't end up rolling to the bottom. Okay. Well, we made it down to the bottom. This is one of the first spots we've seen from the top. So the other one is over that way. Look at that rain cloud that's coming in. We gotta hurry. Okay. This look here looks enormous. Well, that was a bummer.
A what?
The gate was locked. The gate was actually locked on this one. But Looks pretty deep though. Pretty cool. Now we're gonna race out so we get out before the rain comes. We're walking down to the last tunnel. This is the first one you come to though, on the road. I think we got it pretty well sealed off with the dirt, but you can see where it used to be. Well, we was headed back to camp. We at least got out of the tunnel area and the slot canyon. It is now raining. Not sure what we're gonna do now. Well, we just made it back to camp. Kevin's gonna go in the tent and see if we have wet bedding or dry bedding. We have wet bedding, I think we'll go home. We have dry bedding, we'll stay.
Well, there's a puddle there.
Well, that's in the net.
Everything's dry.
So he says everything's dry, so it looks like we're staying. Well, it's still raining, and so we're gonna pack up and go find us a hotel. So yeah, Swells was fun though. There's a lot to see down here, but I don't want to sleep in the rain. Well, we're all packed up. As you can see, that's where the tent was. So we're gonna go enjoy a night, just me and Kevin, at a hotel somewhere. We don't know where we're going yet. Good morning, everyone. So we made it into Price last night. We stayed at the Super 8 hotel. It was good. It was quiet. The bed was nice. The room was clean. It is 9 o'clock. We're gonna head home, see the kids, and then go do Mother's Day with everyone. Really getting quite the raccoon face there. It was good. It was really good. So it's probably a good thing that we actually came to a hotel last night. Looking out the window, it aims towards the Swells, and it's still really dark clouds over that way. So it's a good thing we came to a hotel. We're now gonna pack up and head home, see the kids, and do Mother's Day. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.